18-year Umar was traveling on his bicycle when his bicycle chain suddenly broke and he is forced to walk through a deserted forest path. The darkness was deepening in the trees. There was a smell of cold and fear in the air. Suddenly, a lion roars in the distance. Umar's heart starts beating fast. He feels a shadow with every step. He knows that there is something in the depths of the forest that can take his life. Umar goes deeper into the forest. With every step, the rustling of the trees becomes louder in his ears. Suddenly, a terrifying lion appears, which slowly moving towards Umar. Umar hides in the bushes. The lion passes by him. Umar leaves the forest and reaches the edges of a small black pond. A light mist covers the water, making the entire destination even more enchanting. Umar jumps into the water, the cold water killing to his skin, but he swims in the pool despite his fear. In every breath he breathes, there is a struggle between fear and courage. When he reached the edge of the pond, Umar was tired and shivering from the cold, but he knew that he was not yet completely safe. Somewhere in the depth of the forest, he heard a noise as if an old shadow was following him. He starts running, but his steps are wobbly. Suddenly, a broken tree comes in his way. His breathing becomes rapid and irregular, and his heart is pounding, as if everything in the forest wants to hunt him down. Suddenly, he sees a bright spot where the moonlight is illuminating in the entire forest. He stops there and feels safe, but the noise of the forest behind him had not yet ended. Slowly, the morning light broke the silence of the forest. Umar was walking towards a small village where the sound of birds was bringing waves of peace to his ears. He was tired, his body ached, and his heart was filled with new enthusiasm. His eyes fell on a bright village in the distance, which was a symbol of hope and life. After a tough battle in life, Umar not only crossed the forest but also conquered his fear. His story was now the beginning of a new journey. When Umar entered the village in the morning light, everything seems peaceful. But as he walked through the village streets, he realized that everything is much quieter. There are no humans inside. The doors, the windows are open, but no sound is coming from anywhere. Then suddenly a small child laughter is heard, but the child is nowhere to be seen. Umar turns back and sees an old woman standing behind the door. Her eyes white, her face white, her hair white, and she is walking backwards. She says slowly, "You can't go back. You have crossed the forest. Now you belong to her." The walls begin to shake, the village sky turns black and shadow emerge from the ground. The shadows that follow each. Out of fear, Umar enters old wooden hut. The door opens automatically as if someone is waiting for him. Everything inside is old. There is a picture in an old frame on the wall covered in mud. Among them, Umar sees himself, but this picture looks very old. Umar steps back in fear, but the door is closed. A whisper comes from behind. "You have been here before. You have forgotten." A mirror appears from which an idol emerges and approaches him. Seeing this, he faints. Suddenly, Umar's eyes open. He finds himself lying on the side of the road. His bicycle is safe parked to one side, as if nothing has happened. He gets up and looks around, but now there is no village there. No old hut, no tree, no shadow. Everything is not as it once was. Silence, a very deep silence. Then a faint voice whispers in his ear, "You will come back." Umar looks back in shock, but there is nothing there, only silence.